We have in the first example subtraction of two rational numbers. When we have to subtract rational numbers, we use the same rule like subtracting integers. So we copy first number, negative 2 and 1/2, change subtraction to addition of opposite. Opposite to negative 7 and 2/3 is positive 7 2/3. We don't have to write another positive sign. So this is equal. Or remember, two negatives give you always positive sign. So don't think very long. Two negatives, just write plus and next number. So this is equal. Now we have addition of two numbers. One is negative, one positive. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. We compare the numbers. We have 2 and 7. 7 is greater than 2. So we check the sign before the 7. We don't have any sign. It means it's positive. So 7. So we write just positive sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. For addition of rational numbers, you use the same rule like for addition of integers. We check first which of these two numbers is greater. Next, we check the sign before the greater number, and we subtract from the greater smaller number. The same like for integers. When we have one positive number, one negative, we have addition. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write, and we have subtraction of mixed numbers. Denominators are different, so first we need to have the same denominator. We have 3 and 2. The common denominator will be 6. Must be the smallest number which is divisible by 3 and 2. So this is 6. So I need to multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. And we have 2, so I need to multiply by 3. And numerator also I have to multiply by 3. Positive sign we don't have to write, so we can take parentheses because we have positive sign before. So we have just 7, and 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, minus 2, and we have 1 times 3 is 3, over 2 times 3 is 6. So this is equal. Subtraction of mixed numbers we have. So 7 minus 2, we can subtract, is 5. And now we subtract the fractions. We have the same denominator, so we copy the numerator and we subtract numerators. 4 minus 3 is 1. So we got that this is 5 and 1/6. And the last example, we have negative 18 plus positive 35. When we have addition of integers, we have negative 18 and 35. They are integers. So first, when one number is negative, one positive, we check the sign before the greater number. 35 is greater than 18. Before 35, we have positive sign. So we copy this positive sign, and in parentheses, we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal. Positive sign we don't have to write. 35 minus 18 is 17. This is my solution.